Now the choice is yours, either or.
Hi everyone, it's Amy
And Ewan.
from rebuildcostassessment.com here. Can you help settle a disagreement? You see, I'm a big fan of Halloween. Can you tell?
Whereas I think Bonfire Night is better. What with all of those whiz banging fireworks, just annoying everyone. Fantastic.
So, this got us thinking.
Instead of you asking Amy,
Amy would like to ask you, what do you think? Is it either Halloween for you or Bonfire Night? Give us your answer by tapping or clicking or by leaving a comment.
and because it's all just a bit of fun, if you respond, we'll pop your name into a prize draw to win £50 worth of Amazon vouchers, courtesy of rebuildcostassessment.com.
Go on, choose either or. And remember, the one thing you should never choose to be is underinsured.
Yes, the choice was yours, either or.